Our farm owner is going to check the hen house, and here comes Henrietta and Cluckaroo as we do our little egg collecting demonstration. All right, keep an eye on the hens, and you never know where these eggs are going to start coming from, ladies and gentlemen. It looks like here they come right now. A dozen eggs just like that. That's as fast as you can get 12 eggs out of 2 chickens, ladies and gentlemen. That's a great little job by Henrietta and Cluckaroo. Back into the hen house they go, and it looks like our little hired hands got all our eggs in the basket real quick. What a great job.